One more thing I'd like to show you is how to add comments within your queries. Adding comment in your queries could be a way to remind you of certain steps you intend taking as you code along or as you code. It is also possible that maybe someone might need access to your code for whatever reason, and you like to sort of give a description as to what the set of queries are doing or what it's supposed to do. There are a couple of ways in which we can add comments within our queries, and I'm just going to open a new box. So we have the single line comment and we have the multi-line comment. The single line comment means that typically you'll be given a description within just a single line. So, and the way to do that is you just have to type in the minus sign twice or the dash sign twice. And on your keyboard, that would be the key just before the plus sign. And then you can, once you type in the two dashes, then you can write whatever comment you want to write. So let's say I say step 1, create a new table. And we can see that this is highlighted in green. Now, if I go down and say create table, let's say dog2, and what do I want in that table? We want, just gonna do name, varchar, let's say 50, and let's just do 2 columns, age, and that'll be int. And I can just close that. So what I want you to also pay attention to is even if I highlight all of this, including the comment, and I execute that, the code would still run. And what's happening here is that even when I select all of this, the comment is being ignored. So I'm able to still run this code without this comment interfering with my code. And I can add another comment and say step 2 would be to insert new records. And when I go to the next line, I could then do insert into dog2. And what do we want to insert? Like the name and the age. Then the values would be, the name would be Tom, and the age would be, say, 5. And when I run this again, it's all good. So this is the single line comment. We also have the option for multiple line comment, and this will be in situation in which perhaps your comment would extend beyond one line. Then you can also comment that out. So the way to do that would be you have the / and then the star, and to do that is just the shift and the key 8 on your keyboard, and then you can, let's say, today I will be creating some tutorial, and I just press the enter, tutorial videos, and would be teaching online. Now, none of this makes sense, but you get what I'm trying to do. So we see that even as I move down, whatever I type, it's all in green, which means that it's all commented out. Now, to end this comment, all I need to do then is Shift 8, and then again with a /. And now, if I go and say create, I'm just gonna make a space, create table, dog3, and we just want the name, and that would be, just make things proper, name, that'll be varchar 30, that'll be all. And if I do this, I'm good to go. So this is how we include comments in our queries.